my Eco Tuesday family, I hope by now you're at least thinking about planting something. Today is all about sweet peppers or bell peppers. So I hope you enjoy this video and be inspired. So these were original sweet pepper that I bought in the market. They are not treated or anything like that. So use a sweet pepper to cook, and then I dry the seeds. So I am removing them from the stem in order to plant them today. So I'm gonna use this egg tray, guys. Remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So this is, I'm recycling my egg trays, and I'm gonna use this. Remember, if you don't have like those plastic trays that you get at the farm store, you can always use your egg trays, save them and use them. It's fine. So I'm adding dirt to each tray, and I'm going to damp it a little bit, and then I plant the seeds. So you don't need more than half of an inch for each hole, because you don't want to put them too deep, right? And you're gonna do that for each of the trays. That's it. Allow some of the water to absorb in the tray, and you're gonna start putting your seeds. You can put as much as you want in each hole. I'm gonna start with 3. Put it in there, right? You don't have to stick with 3, but I'm gonna use 3 for the first few holes. Thank you for watching another Eco Tuesday, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, go ahead and click the link in the description box below.